Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm with Klamath County Fire District 1. This week is Fire Prevention Week, and we are going to be talking to you about fire extinguishers. Here in front of me, I have 3 different types of extinguishers. This one is a water extinguisher, this one is a CO2 extinguisher, and these 3 are dry chem. Obviously, they're in different sizes. What's significant about the dry chem extinguisher is that it can deal with 3 different types of fires: combustible, liquids, and electrical fires. This is the most common size fire extinguisher that you're going to probably have in your home, and you can purchase them at any box store. When you do have these extinguishers at home, it's important that you inspect them based on the manufacturer recommendations. Also replace or recharge them. If I'm going to inspect this real quick, I'm going to look at the cylinder and make sure that there is no significant damage. Also look at the hose to make sure that there's no cracks, and the horn of the hose. If you look at the front of the extinguisher, we have a pin. This pin is in place so you don't accidentally discharge the chemical agent, which is the dry chem inside of the fire extinguisher, and also a pressure gauge. And you want to make sure that the needle is in the green. If it's not, again, manufacturer recommendation in order to recharge or replace. Today, we're going to be using the water can in order to simulate putting out a fire at a home. We have this prop. Firefighter Nelson will be starting the prop, and you'll hear a series of beeps while it ignites. Okay, so here we have a fire. We have an acronym that we like to use. It's PASS, P-A-S-S, which stands for pull, where you pull the pin. You are 8 feet away. You're aiming the tip of the hose to the base of the fire. You squeeze your handle and you sweep at the base of the fire. So I've already pulled the pin, I'm aiming, and now I'm going to squeeze and sweep. I'm walking slowly forward, making sure that the fire is completely extinguished. I step back, I set it down, and I call 911 if I need to. Again, this is Fire Prevention Week. It's a brief overview on fire extinguishers. Stay safe and have a great Fire Prevention Week.